On a related note, after Black Friday shopping numbers beat expectations, our next guest sees the big takeaway is consumers returning to pre-pandemic shopping trends. And when it comes to where to find growth this holiday season, look to value names like TJX and Macy's, as well as gift beneficiaries from best-in-class brands like Nike and Birkenstock. Joining us here live at Post 9, the #1 ranked retail analyst who was recently inducted into the All-America Research Hall of Fame, JPMorgan's Matt Boss. How do you go from #1 analyst to Hall of Famer, I think is the question people want to know.
Thanks for having me on, Sarah.
It just means you win a lot, right?
You could say that, yes.
It's good you didn't have to be retired for 5 years before you got in.
So let's talk about winning picks this holiday season. So far, it seems okay, the overall spending data, right? So how do you pick winners?
I think the holiday season's off to a very strong start. I think you are seeing a return to some of the pre-pandemic behaviors and demand. So we think apparel and footwear is up at least low single digits right now. That's the same as the 5 years pre-pandemic. I think you're seeing the same return to e-commerce, but stores are holding. As you said, you're seeing a gifting focus. At the same time, you are seeing a value focus, but that's a very good thing for best-in-class brands. So Ralph Lauren, Calvin Klein, Birkenstock, Nike, Lululemon, and I think some of the gift destinations that stand for value, Macy's and TJX, have also fared very well to start out.
But does that extend into 2024, or is it just sort of a holiday gifting phenomenon?
So I still think you want to remain selective. That said, I do think from a macro perspective, the biggest inflationary pressures have started to subside. So you look at gas prices, you look at food inflation. We were facing double-digit food inflation. This fourth quarter, it's less than half of that. So I do think that some of the pressure points on the consumer have eased. I think the consumer is being selective and discerning with their dollars. I still think you have that bifurcation between the higher end and the lower end. But there are opportunities in the retail sector, as I walk through. For me, it's value, innovation, and self-help as you move into 24.
But if inflation is coming down, I get why that's a good thing for the consumer, but is it really a good thing for the retailers whose margins have been fattened up by price increases?
So great point. I think one of the biggest themes that we're seeing right now into holiday and into 24, the inventories are very clean. So if you think about a year ago, you had inventories that were bloated. You had far too much clearance. And that was as a result of the pandemic, which delayed the supply chain. So you had far too much basics. This year, a lot more fashion on the floor, much greater newness, and retailers can chase, especially the specialty retailers, the department stores, and the direct-to-consumer on the brand side. So I think that leads to a lot more full-price selling. So not only do I think you have the potential for a very strong holiday, but I think the profitability will be there with it.
What represents a company that has the self-help theme? Is that like a Macy's at this point?
So PVH on the global brand side, I think, is a very good example. You have profitability opportunities into next year that are idiosyncratic self-help. Same thing, Ralph Lauren, I would say, is similar as you move to next year. Still average unit retail expansion driven by mix that is less macro reliant. So what we're looking for in an uncertain, as you said, choppy consumer backdrop as you exit holiday and into 2024 are stories that can stand on their own. And that's where we like the best-in-class brands. I would put Birkenstock and Nike as well, as you think about some of the issues that Nike has faced in the last 2 years.